y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Asana Adventures. We are aboard the Carnival Magic. So we're going to do a quick room tour. This is room 9239. We are on the 9th floor, which is a balcony room. So come on in with me and let's take a room tour. Alright, so when you walk in, you basically would normally have your little card holder here. So go ahead and put it in for your light switch. On this side, you have 3 closets. This one has your life jacket in it. We've been aboard a full day now today, so everything is kind of unpacked. So you have like a little shelf up there, some more hanging space, and down below you just have empty space. Then in here you have 3 shelves and then an extra blanket down there. And mirror. Woohoo! Alright, so we're going to take you in the bathroom real quick. So it's just standard bathroom. I know on my last video of Carnival Mardi Gras we were in a suite, but this one, because it is our kids trip, we just got a standard room. So standard shower with the drying rack hanging out, toilet area, then you have plenty of shelf space. Me again, some more shelf space. And you have your trash can down there and your other extra toiletries. Me again. Alright, so let's go back out into the room. So this room is set up for 4 people. So they do have the Pullman bed down. So my daughters have been sleeping up there. So we have that Pullman bed with the ladder. And they also do have a little light up there. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. There's a little light that they can turn on while they're up there. And then down here, this is normally the sofa, but like I said, it's 4, really 5 of us in this room. So that's why that's out. Then you have your little coffee table. You have some more storage over here. This has the dryer in it. And then just some more drawers and stuff like that. Then you have your little ottoman or stool, some more storage space. Excuse the chaos of the cups and everything else, bonnets, wine. You know, like I said, this is our kids' spring break. Mommy got wine. Then we have some more little trinkets. Only thing I don't like or downside is that these are the only 2 outlets in this room. The Mardi Gras, it had like the USBs and it had more outlets in this one, but this one, it's older ship, Carnival Magic, which is fine. Ship is nice. It only has those 2 outlets, so it's okay. Alright, so then we have this nice little mirror. It does have a light in case you want to turn that on, get your makeup, or just have some extra light. Another little mirror. As you can see, this certificate was for our daughter. Her birthday was yesterday when we boarded it. So I did put a special request in, like it's her birthday when I booked this trip, because yes, I am also a travel agent. So they, you know, got her a little certificate and everything like that. Super cute. She was super excited. Alright, so in here you have your refrigerator. And then down in these parts, oh wait, did I show you that? I'm sorry. The refrigerator. And then over here is another little cupboard where we're just storing our sodas. And we have our safe in there. And then some more little storage space. Yes, we do travel with our own tissue. And then we have the king size bed, and our room stewardess already came through and we got an elephant. Again, like I said, that is normally the couch, but it's still pulled out for us. So 2 lamps on both sides of the bed. There's no outlets, no plugs or anything like that. Then it has like little end tables. We're not using those right now. Sorry, it's dark. This nice little window to be able to look out to that awesome picturesque view. Let's go out to the balcony. Okay. So out here on this balcony, you have your 2 lounge chairs, a table, and then of course your balcony. It's a nice size balcony, you know. It serves its purpose just to hang out on it and chill. And this is our view right now. Just the wide open ocean. Just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Alright. So we're gonna go back in. Alright. So that is basically our room tour on the Carnival Magic balcony room. I also do have 2 other rooms that I will show you. Both are interior rooms. One sleeps 4 people, one sleeps 2 people. And I'll go in there, show you the configuration for an interior room for 4 people, how they have it set up. Alright, you guys. Well, until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and if you want to book a trip. All the information is in our bio, and I'll leave the link below how to contact me. Thanks.